Hey, it's Mike here, and today we're going to talk about how exactly you can take your skill and turn it into a profitable business in 2025 by just using 3 simple steps, 3 different techniques and strategies that I've been able to teach to 130 plus people that have made over 10k per month in the last 2 years. A strategy that's allowed me to build a $500,000 per year business. So you need to watch up for this and take notes. So we're going to start with the very basics, and that's identify a problem that's in the market. Identify something that you can solve. How do you do this? How do you identify that problem? How do you understand what people actually need? And it's very simple. Find out, what do agencies need? What do coaches need? What do general business owners need? Your local restaurant owner. What does a local business owner need? A local restaurant owner. They need simply more traffic. How do you get the more traffic? You set up a social media profile for them. You start posting content based off what they have, what they do every single day, and the food that they make, and you can run ads as well for them. So simple. If it's a restaurant owner, you need to understand, how do you solve the problem? What I would actually urge you to do is almost look at this the opposite way around. If you're a skilled worker, if you're in a 9-to-5 job that you use tools every single day, and tools like Excel, tools like Notion, Canva, things like this, identify what problems you solve day to day. Who can you solve those problems for? Right? So, for example, Luke, he's a student in my program, a good friend of mine as well, and he worked in a data analytics role. So he was doing automations, dealing with data, dealing with dashboards, and he realized very quickly that he can help small to mid-sized agencies online and coaches automate processes, streamline tasks, and actually make their whole business run more efficiently, which saves them time, first of all, and then saves them money and actually makes them more money because there's no leaks in any sales pipeline due to the automations and the systemization that he can do. So that's a fantastic example. For me, and for many of you watching, you're going to think, oh, you've no skill, there's nothing that I do now that I can sell online. And maybe that's the case. I'm going to give you a couple that you can learn though. Automations is number 1, and no particular order by the way. Landing pages, which I did and did successfully and still do, is number 2. Copywriting, number 3, that can break up into email marketing, sales pages, sales funnels, different things like that. And they're the main ones at the moment. Landing pages, copywriting, automations. They're big ones, okay? You can, if you're a developer, you can start building software, things like that. But point number 3, step 3, what do you do then once you've identified a problem and you know how to solve the problem for a specific person? You need to promote it and upsell. You identify the problem, you now know how to solve it, but how do you make money from that? You don't make money from identifying the problem and then understanding, okay, I can go solve this. Who do I solve it for? Right? Who knows? But once you start promoting it, I want you to create something for free, which is called a lead magnet. Create a free lead magnet, which is really important, and you're going to solve their problems by telling them exactly what to do, and you're not going to charge a penny for this. Sounds crazy, right? But that's what I've done. That's what all of my students have done, and this is what works, because in creating this lead magnet, it gets a little bit more in depth. You're going to go to card.co, you're going to create a landing page, you're going to go to ConvertKit, or kit.com I think it's called now, and you're going to essentially link them up together, get people to sign up to your landing page in order to get this free lead magnet, this free thing that's going to solve all their problems, okay? Now, let's say 10 people sign up. You're promoting it on social media, you're telling people this is what works, this is what solves the problem, you're promoting it. And what do you do then? You get their email as they sign up, so you get their contact information. If 10 people sign up, maybe 7 won't even do a thing. They'll look at it and say, oh, this is cool. Maybe 6. Maybe 2, let's say, actually do it themselves. They implement it themselves because they don't care about wasting time going through the process. Oh, it takes a couple hours. They don't care. They'll waste that time and do it themselves. But maybe just 1 out of those 10 has the sense to say, I'd rather if Mike or someone else, whoever you are providing this lead magnet, actually does the job for me. So that's going to go through their head, and you're going to push it through their head, because when they get this and they access it, you're going to have a book a call option. Going to tell them they can bypass all this crap work, all this labor, and book a call with you, a free strategy call with you, and you're going to sell them and upsell them on this offer. This lead magnet is an offer, so it's full round circle. This lead magnet tells people what to do for free, but it's also what you can provide as a paid service. So you're going to build trust, you're going to showcase that you can do this, and then you're going to give them that option to book a call with you. You'll sell them on the call, and you implement. This is a strategy that has got 130 plus of my students to 10k a month. We just had 4 people. We're halfway through the month and we've had 4 people leave their 9 to 5s this month through this strategy. I'm not holding anything back here. You can try and implement it if you want, but you can also go for the other option, book a call with me, and in the description, and then I'll run you through the process, I'll run you through the strategy more in depth and see if you're a good fit for my program. Now, do you see what I just did there? I've just done the exact same thing that I'm teaching you right now. I'm giving you the free information, this lead magnet, but I'm offering you, if you want to accelerate and get through it quicker and work with me one-on-one, you book a call with me. And I'm not even joking here. This is the process, this is what I want you to do. Try and implement it yourself, feel free, or else book a call with me below and we'll talk about how you could be a good fit for the program. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you haven't already. There's loads more content coming. I'm loving these videos, I'm loving the whiteboard here, and actually helping people in depth off the top of my head, no editing, raw videos, and getting you to where you want with your online business. Thanks for watching, take care.